The tournament is going to start and named as Gino GFA First Division League and going to start on 28th of this month. The matches that are going to be played on this day is going to be between Dunes and Goa Police at Project Ground, Kalangut, and Denver versus Goa Vela at Ella Ground. And I wish, on behalf of Goa Football Association, all the 14 teams success and the best team wins. And also want to promise and tell the promoters, our sponsors, that we are going to do better than last year.
Football, as you know, in India, cricket may be a religion, but in Goa, I think football is religion. Football is much bigger a sport in Goa than cricket is.
I request Sachin.
तोणार आहे